Guys, Rob from Iceboxauto here, just going to show you today's install, which is on a Alfa Romeo Mito or a Mito, whatever you want to call it. This is a new interface here, which obviously we haven't really seen before. It's got all these circular motions here that you can spin round. Personally, I prefer to use this one here, which takes you into the application side, but I'll just give you a little run through of what the system's got, which is preset on the system. So I'll just go into applications here, which is obviously what you'll get on the circular motions anyway. Okay, so you've got your navigation there, which you can put on there whatever you wish. Google Maps, Waze, Copilot, do whatever you wish with that. FM AM radio here. Video music, if you want to put your movies or your videos onto a USB pen, you can simply play them through these apps here. Bluetooth, and your Bluetooth streaming here, which is for the music, so obviously take all your phone calls through it. If you want to stream music on it too, also there's the Bluetooth music there. AV in, if you want to add anything like TV, digital TV boxes to it if you wish. This disc here is for this insert, so you can play music as well as DVDs on the same disc insert, and you can play it through there. Okay, car device, let's have a little look at that one. I think that's probably something to do with the original USB of the car. Car info, I'll be truthful, doesn't really show you much on this one here. Don't ask me what that's for, I haven't figured that out. So basically DSP. Okay, so this is basically as a DSP sound processor in. So if you're into your sound, it allows you to enhance the output on it there. Just give you a little bit of a running through on this one here. Okay, so that's the DSP sound processor, APK installer, so if you want to add any third-party apps onto there, you can too. This auto link here tends to be the Android Auto CarPlay app, so if you want to bring apps from your phone and do it through that way, you can do also. There's a few little browser apps on there like Google and Chrome, Google Maps here, messaging, I've not seen that one before, but it looks like, I don't know whether it's WhatsApp now, it looks like probably an app that's maybe good for the Chinese market. There's your Play Store app there if you want to download any applications from the Play Store. Settings takes you into the back end settings here, which obviously if you're familiar with Android, you'll know about that. YouTube, you'll know about that because you're probably watching this video on here. As you can see, nice and swift. Only thing I haven't figured out, guys, is if this can be changed over to MPH. It says KMH at the moment, so there's one thing I can't change, but maybe you can do in the back end settings. I haven't really had to play around with it. So okay, bring it to an end today, guys. Hope you liked the video. If you've got any questions, give us a shout. I'll speak to you soon.